Hello YouTube, this is Hen Basket. And as we can see here, I have another new alarm from Wheelock. Well, another new Wheelock alarm. Didn't buy it directly from Wheelock, obviously. It's the Alexa Chime Strobe. I'm gonna open it up. This is a lot heavier than the multi-tone was. You can see we have the instructions here, which looks like it still has the Cooper notification logo. No, doesn't appear to be an Eaton logo on this. Oh, wait, let's see this. 2022 Cooper Wheelock. Yeah, there we go. Cooper Wheelock doing business as Cooper notification. So, open it. Take this out. And, oh yeah, that would be why. Just like the previous Chime strobes, this uses an actual speaker. And just to confirm, let's open this up like this. And yeah, that is a proper speaker right there. And come back over to here. We see we actually have dip switches here, which, if I remember correctly from when we first heard about these, looking at the instructions, yeah, it changes the code. So we have 2 hertz, which is 2 chimes a second. We have temporal 3, obvious. We have 1 hertz. And then we have coded. Yeah. Now, I have an Alexa Chime Strobe. And as usual, the mounting bracket is here. And so, now, I guess what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna leave it off here, and I will be uploading an all tones video very soon after. Alright, Hen Basket signing off.